Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry we can't be with you tonight. We're in North Wales preparing for an under-21 match against Denmark. But it's my pleasure to discuss the nominees for Wales Young Player of the Year. Four very good young players, and all have done well coming through the system. Liam Cullen, actually would like to wish Liam all the best. At the moment he's nursing an injured ankle. Tyler Roberts, Regan Poole and Tommy O'Sullivan. All the young men have been a credit to themselves, their families and to Wales. The young boys, Regan, been playing in the first team at Newport and has now moved on and got a great opportunity in his career. Tyler Roberts and Liam Cullen both doing well as young men in the under-17s, and as I've said, very much a part of our future here for Wales. And Tommy O'Sullivan, who's come through the ranks as an under-19, been a part of the successful side that got to the elite and nearly got onto the finals, and then moved on up into the under-21s. As I said, close competition, but I'm delighted to announce the winner of this year's Wales Young Player of the Year, Tommy O'Sullivan. Congratulations, Tom.
Thank you. Cheers.
Congratulations, Tommy. It's been a fabulous year. How has it been for yourself from your perspective?
Yeah, really enjoyed it. Last year we went to Portugal in the elite rounds, which was very successful. I think we finished second, managed to score 4 in the games, and then progressing on to the 21s, which was very pleasing, and we've done well since we've been up there, and hopefully we'll do well this campaign as well.
Well, brilliant. Thanks a lot and congratulations on your award.
Thank you. Cheers.